Pelagic trawler Fagraberg has had a strong start in operation. Managing partner Anfinn Olsen of fishing company Framherji noted. The trawler has of late been fishing blue whiting in Faroese waters, although the season for that fishery normally takes place in the winter. The fishing has turned out better than expected, with the latest surveys on the blue whiting stock showing positive results, to the extent that the catch quota is expected to be raised before long, after a substantial cutback for the 2026 season. Fagraberg's predecessor of the same name was replaced with the current one in March this year. The old Fagraberg was famous well beyond the Faroe Islands for her remarkable performance, fishing on average for 25 years straight, a stunning 52,000 tons per annum, mostly blue whiting. Retaining the skippers and two-shift crew, the new Fagraberg looks set to continue the success. Framherji purchased the Fagraberg, formerly the Serene, at a price tag of around 250 million Danish krones, or 33.5 million euros. The company last year took delivery of the brand new Fagraberg, a per-seiner pelagic trawler of similar size, at about 350 million krones, or almost 47 million euros. 3 years earlier, the company had taken delivery of another new build, top-of-the-line freezer trawler Fagraberg, at the price of 300 million krones, that's over 40 million euros.